Am I wrong for turning down a family vacation because I would have to pay and my sister wouldn't? My 28 female parents are organizing a family holiday abroad and have approached me stating that they will be paying for my sister's 30 female holiday but not mine. This is because to them, I can afford it and she cannot. And this is the only way we would all be able to go on vacation together. They can't afford to pay for both of us. They said that it's their money and they can do as they wish with it, and that I am in a good spot financially right now and my sister isn't. If I ever find myself in a bad spot, they will help me out. But to me, it's not that simple. I am more financially stable than my sister because I have chosen to live in a cheaper area despite being further away from my friends, followed a career path where financial security is guaranteed, and always live well within my means. Whereas my sister has followed a career path which is unfair, I admit, underpaid, insisted on living close to her friends despite the high rent, and likes to spend more money on her lifestyle. My parents think that I am lucky that my passion lines up with a well-paid job, and my sister is unlucky that her passion does not. So my sister deserves more help due to that bad luck. They also think that I am lucky to have a partner that I can move away with to a cheaper area, and my sister, who doesn't currently have a serious partner, is unlucky in that respect, so it would be a greater deal to move away from her friends and therefore again unlucky. Again, they insist if the tables turn around and our fortunes are reversed, they would help me out. Am I the asshole for refusing this holiday? Am I wrong for requesting that my brother give me $20,000 to help me pay for my wedding since he makes a lot more money than me? I, 23 female, am engaged to my fiance, 27 male. I am also the mother to my daughter, 4. I wasn't able to go to university full-time since I was raising my daughter. However, I am currently studying history online, where I will hopefully be able to become a history teacher. Balancing studying while raising my daughter hasn't been easy. However, having my fiance supporting the family has really helped, since my fiance works in a research lab. We have enough money to live comfortably, but saving up money to have our dream wedding would take years. Then you don't get to have it, or wait that long. You don't get to ask other people for their money, that's why dream weddings are called the dream. My brother, 28 male, works as a hospital doctor. His wife also works as a hospital doctor, so to say they are well off would be an understatement. My brother hasn't had the same struggles of raising a child since they both don't want any children. I don't like you calling it a struggle because I feel like struggles are things that you can't control. You chose to have a child. That is on you. I don't mind the fact that they both don't have any kids, but they have been able to save a lot of money due to this. Recently, I asked my brother if he would be able to help pay for my wedding, since having him contribute to my wedding would help make it a magical moment for me. My brother offered to give me $5,000 towards my wedding, which honestly surprised me. I might be wrong here, but surely as a hospital doctor, my brother should be able to contribute more to my wedding. I told him that I'd really appreciate it if he could give me